Do you wonder where all your money goes? Do you feel broke even though you earn a reasonable income? Do you struggle to save money and build wealth? And do you worry about coping with unexpected bills? In under 5 minutes, I'm going to teach you an essential skill that you need to master to win with money. I'm Jason Butler, and I've spent over 30 years studying the traits and skills of people who win with money. And that skill is learning to control your day-to-day spending. Because it doesn't matter how much you earn, if you can't control your spending, you'll never get ahead. But most of us are never taught this important skill. We just make it up as we go along and we hope it'll all work out. And we're bombarded with marketing messages telling us to spend our money to feel better, look cool, or be happy. And monthly payments accumulate and they suck the life out of our income, so we never have any money. But you can change all that by using my smart spending system. This took me from a financial disaster in my 20s with over £30,000 of unsecured debt to being completely debt-free and financially independent in my late 40s. Here's how it works. You decide where you want your money to go before you get paid. You separate your money into different pots and you automate everything. Think of your spending as being for 3 people. Firstly, there's the essential you costs like housing, food, transport and utilities. Aim for that to be between 40 to 60% of net income. Then there is future you costs like non-mortgage debt repayment, savings and longer term investing. Aim for that to be between 15 to 25% of net income. And finally, there's my favourite, fun you costs like holidays, socialising, hobbies and other luxuries and non-essentials that make life fun and varied. Aim for that to be between 15 to 25% of net income. Then you need 4 separate accounts. You need a main account, an emergency fund account, a spending account and a smoothing account. Your main account receives your income and pays out all of your monthly essential you and future you expenses. It also sends money to and receives money from your emergency fund account as needed. And it sends a monthly allowance to your fun you account. It also sends a monthly amount to your smoothing account for irregular essential you and fun you expenses. Your emergency fund holds cash of between 3 to 6 months essential you expenses. This allows you to cope with any inevitable curveballs that life throws at you, whether that's the car needing repair, a sudden drop in income, or you need to fix a broken tooth. Your spending account holds the money that you've allocated to spend on fun stuff that month. By spending down to 0 each month, it makes it easier for you to avoid overspending on fun stuff. Your smoothing account holds the money that you've put aside each month for all those essential you and fun you spending items that aren't monthly but which come along either yearly or every 3 or 4 months, like holidays and car maintenance. You must automate all of this via salary deduction, standing orders and direct debits, so you don't need to think about it. And by only using cash or a debit card for variable spending, you're going to feel much more in control and you'll be able to spend safe in the knowledge that you're only spending money that you have. You can download your free copy of the Smart Spending System one-page diagram via the link below this video. The Smart Spending System will take you some months to fully master, and you will have mishaps and you're going to fall off the wagon, but eventually you will get there. Like mastering any skill, it will take time, practice and learning from mistakes. If I can master this and go from a money disaster to a money master, then so can you. This system enables you to balance enjoying life today with building choices and security for the future. Remember, you're looking for progress, not perfection. You deserve to get ahead with your money. I know you can do it. Good luck.